ice cream, mixed fruits, cooked vermicelli that added sugar and food color, pink, orange, green. They are nuts, badam, cashew nut, tutti frutti, basil seeds, sugar, green jelly, red jelly, chilled milk. Friends, now we can start our preparation of Falooda. So first I am adding 3 spoons of sugar in mixed fruit. Just mixing it. Friends, for better taste, we can add some more sugar. Okay, just mix. So next we can add the sugar into our chilled milk. Okay. Next we can just mix it. Okay, mix it well. Friends, this is basil seeds. I soaked it in water for 10 minutes. Friends, so we can set the things into a glass. I take here 2 big glasses like that. So first we need to add green jelly. Friends, next I am adding ice cream. Okay. Yeah. Next I am adding vermicelli. Next, at the next glass, and orange. Okay. Next, I am adding some basil seeds. Okay. Next, I am adding 2 spoons of mixed fruits. Okay. 2 spoons in each glasses. Next, I am adding 2 spoons of milk. Okay, friends, next we are again putting the mixed fruits. Friends, next I am adding red jelly. Okay. Next add the second one. Friends, next I am adding ice cream. Okay, next I'm adding one more. And the second. Friends, next we need to add some nuts, badam. Next I'm adding the second one. Okay, next I'm adding some cashew nut. Okay, next some tutti frutti. So our royal Falooda is ready. We need to taste. Which one I will taste? Idea. Pinky pinky pongy, father as a donkey, donkey die, father cry, pinky pinky pongy. I'll taste this. Here, I take hand spoon. Yeah. My God. God, it's really delicious, amazing. I like it too much. I need to taste one more. And thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, share, and just press the bell button. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.